Hey everyone, how is it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to transfer USDT from Telegram wallet to Binance. What you want to do is head over to your Telegram wallet, which will look something like this. You want to click on send. So I'm going to click on send and then click on OK and then tap on external wallet. And then we want to send dollars. So click on dollars and make sure you choose the right network. After that, right over here, it's going to ask for two things. One is the deposit address and second is the memo. So, but mine interface is different. So what you want to do is head into Binance and then click on deposit crypto, and then USDT, then Tether US, and then, the network, you should choose whatever you chose right back there, like we chose TRC20. As you can see, this is the deposit address. You just want to copy it and paste it over here, and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.